Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some exciting news for all you minivan enthusiasts out there. According to industry publication Automotive News, it looks like a redesign for the Honda Odyssey may be in the works for the 2024 model year. Although there won't be any significant changes to the styling this time around, Honda is reportedly introducing a new trim for its entry-level and mid-range sport models. The new sport trim will feature a sleek gloss black finish on various exterior details such as the grille, side mirror housings, and tail light trim. The 2024 Honda Odyssey is still capable of seating up to 8 passengers across all 3 seating rows, but Honda is making some improvements to the tech features. We can expect to see an upgraded 10.1-inch touchscreen replacing the aging 8-inch version, and standard equipment will include Apple CarPlay/Android Auto smartphone integration, satellite radio, Bluetooth, 2 USB ports, and 7 speakers. Under the hood, the 2024 Honda Odyssey will continue to be powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine that produces 280 horsepower and 262 lb-ft of torque, without the use of a turbocharger. It will be front-wheel drive only, as all-wheel drive won't even be available as an option. Now, the big question on everyone's mind, how much will it cost? The 2024 Honda Odyssey will have a manufacturer's suggested retail price, MSRP, of $37,350, which is a jump of almost $3,000 from last year's model. The new 2023 Sport version will cost around $41,210, while the range-topping Elite will be a little less than $50,000. Overall, the 2024 Honda Odyssey looks like it will be a solid choice for families who need a spacious and reliable minivan. What do you think of the new features and price point? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest automotive news.